everyone, this is Eileen from Team Run. Ito na naman po tayo sa panibago nating vlog. Nagga-garden po kasi ako. Pero hindi po yan yung ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon. Kasi natuwa lang ako, hindi ko akala yung halaman. Ang liit lang, halos mataas pa po ako, 4'10" lang ako. So, ipapakita ako sa inyo na nakakatuwa. Natuwa ako kasi first time ko makakita ng ganito. Yay, we have a babies. 4 little babies in our garden. Ay, papakita ko lang po kay William yung
Mom, what is
yung
that?
ibon.
Mom, is that the egg?
Yeah. Can you hold daddy? We will no. We will give back. We will put it back again, baby.
But is they alive?
Yeah. I just want you to see the baby.
I want to see.
There, baby. Oh. There.
Oh yeah, 2.
No.
3 maybe.
4.
4.
Is that the baby?
There, the baby bird, baby. Look.
Oh. Yeah, but
Isn't it cute?
Yeah, but
Yeah,
William?
how can we put it back?
Wait, I need to. Does it cute, baby?
yeah.
Yeah, so we have a little baby in the garden.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far.